PC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 3 different companies. The first one is Tata Elxsi, the second one is IBM, and the third one is Deloitte. So Tata Elxsi, IBM, and Deloitte is conducting bulk recruitment drives. So if you are interested in watching any of this content, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment update is from Tata Elxsi. They are hiring for the post of software engineer. And this recruitment they are actually conducting for various locations all around India. The locations are Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, and Thiruvananthapuram. And here they are actually asking for the qualifications BTech, MCA, MSc, ME, MTech, MS, or if you are having BSc, BCA, BCS, or BCM from these branches, you are eligible to apply. Okay, so all the MCA, MSc candidates and also all the computer science, IT, ECEEE or data science related branches are eligible to apply here. Okay. Also, you should be having little bit of programming knowledge in any of those languages like C, C++, Core Java or JavaScript. Okay. So this is the recruitment update from Tata Elxsi. Recently, also one of our subscribers got placed in Tata Elxsi. So if you are also interested in working in this company, if you are interested in working or pursuing your career in this company, please to watch. Please to apply for this post. The next set of update we are going to see is from IBM. So IBM is hiring for 3 different posts. The first post is L1, L2 support engineer. So here they have not asked for any specific degree or anything. So if you are a person from IT related degree background, you will get a preference. Other than that, they have not specifically asked for any qualifications as such. You should be having good language skills, then good analytical skills, ability to learn fast. So that is the only thing they have actually asked here. Okay. So this job is actually for Chennai location. Currently, you can work from home, but later on you will have to relocate to the given location. So this is a support job. Support engineer is a job role. So if you are interested in working as a support engineer, you can definitely see the link in description. The next recruitment update from IBM is for associate systems engineer. So here they have actually given the qualifications more specifically, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech, and also they have given which all branches are eligible. They have not asked for any specific year of pass out. So if you are a person from 2015 or 16 or whichever year of pass out, you can apply here. Okay, you should be from these degree backgrounds, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech. Okay, so this is the degree requirement. The third update, so here the job role, that is, it is for the location. They have actually given the location also. So the associate system engineer is for Bangalore location. And the third post, which is an internship update. Okay, here this is for multiple cities, for multiple locations. Actually, they are conducting this hiring. Okay. So again, they have not asked for any specific degree or anything. Okay. So you should be having good analytical ability and keen observation. That is the only requirement here. Okay. So they have not asked for any specific degree or anything. Bachelor degree is the required education, and this is for multiple cities of India. Okay, so if you are interested in doing internship with IBM, this is the right time. Please to apply for it. Okay, so all the 3 links which I'll be posting in description. You can check out the links, and whichever post you are interested in, you can apply. The third update we are going to see in this video is from Deloitte. Okay, so Deloitte is actually conducting a pool drive or a pooled recruitment update. There is recruitment drive they are conducting, and it is for Karnataka, means Bangalore will be the location of working. And here they are calling for the specific qualifications BSc and BCA. For these 2 categories, they are actually conducting this pool drive. Okay. Have you ever felt trapped in anything, especially your job? So here we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here you can find your dream job and your dream company through this free of cost platform. 200 plus leading companies like Cred, Meesho, Urban Company, Razorpay, Upgrad. These companies are hiring through this platform and this is completely free of cost. What you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired, and then the next thing you have to do is you have to book a test slot and you have to give the test. You can actually choose whichever domain you are interested in. You can go for front end, back end, or whichever domain you are interested in. You can give the test, and if you get a good score in the test, the companies will hire you. So you don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. You can just give the test, and all you have to do is get a good score in the test. And then you can get your dream company and your dream package. So this is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay any money. And there is an exciting news that they have also launched the app for Android and iOS users. So please check out the link which I'll be putting in description box, and please make use of this free of cost platform. Like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Here, Deloitte is conducting a pool drive, and the job role is associate analyst is the job role. Okay. So if you are interested in working with Deloitte as an associate analyst, you can apply here. So the qualifications is BSc, and you should be having BSc in any of these branches: computer science, IT, maths, statistics, or electronics. And all the BCA candidates are eligible to apply. Okay. Other than that, they have also given some general expectations, means you should be a deadline oriented person, quality focused, strong verbal and written communication skills, demonstrate professionalism, good presentation skills. Then you should be having little bit of knowledge in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, also good analytical skills. These are the skill requirements, and also we have seen what is the qualification requirements. Okay, so these are the three companies which are hiring, and we have seen three different company updates in this video. All these companies are very good companies to start your career with. If you are interested in any of these companies, you can definitely check out the links which I'll be putting in description. Nowadays, if you see, a lot of companies are hiring bulk amount of people. So if you are interested in working with this IT companies or big MNCs, this is the right time, because most of the companies are conducting bulk recruitments. Okay, so please follow the channel. If you are finding the videos useful, please like, share, subscribe, and keep supporting the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching.